Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Please open your book of science. Today our topic is keeping fit. Points to remember are, these are the main points. We will have to discuss these main points that are here. First of all, keeping fit, we will it's mean to keep yourself fit and healthy. To keep yourself fit and healthy. Exercise and play is first point. Number 2 is correct posture, and rest and sleep is third point. First of all, exercise and play. What is, you will have to come to know exercise meaning physical activities. Exercise means physical activities that make your body strong and healthy. So exercise keep your body strong and healthy. When you play different kinds of game like running, like you will have to play football, you will have to play hockey, you will have to play badminton, you will have to play table tennis. These are games. These kinds of games keep you fit and healthy. So you will have to do exercise. These are called physical activities. Physical activities that make our body strong and healthy. Look at this picture. What are these children doing? This girl is skipping, this girl is playing game. So this game will keep this girl fit and healthy. So this boy is doing exercise. After doing exercise, this boy feel good. After doing exercise, we can say exercise make you feel, after doing these kinds of exercises, you feel hungry. It helps you eat well. When you eat, when you go home and when you eat, you can eat well. Exercise also make you feel tired. It helps you sleep well. After exercise, you can get good sleep and you can sleep nicely. So you will have to go out and play every day. Playing and running around keep you fit. We should not play soon after eating. You don't need to play after eating. It is not good for your health. Next point that we will discuss, correct posture. Correct posture. What is the meaning of a posture? Posture means the position of your back, shoulders when you are standing or sitting. I am showing you picture of correct posture. You are seeing, this is the correct way of holding your body. It is the way you sit, stand and walk. Look at this boy. Look at this back of this boy. Walk upright. And look at this girl. Stand straight. This is the correct posture. It is also correct posture. And sit straight. She is sitting nicely. So you will have to sit like this way, and you will have to stand like this way, and you will have to walk like this way. These are correct postures. These are correct postures. We can say good postures keep your body fit. They also make you look smart. So you will have to remember to sit straight while writing, doing your homework or reading and working on the computer. Next point is rest and sleep. After playing games and after doing different kinds of exercises, our body need proper rest. So you will have to need proper rest. Your body need proper rest. You will have to get up early in the morning. You should sleep early. You should sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. When you get up after a good night's sleep, you feel refreshed. You should wear clean night clothes and sleep on a clean bed. Look at this picture. This boy is sleeping early, and look at here, he is waking up early. Look at this girl. Look at this. She is sleeping early and waking up early. So you will have to sleep early and you will have to wake up early in the morning. Always brush your teeth before sleeping. Exercise, play and rest keep you fit and healthy. So we can say exercise make your body strong. Exercise helps you eat and sleep well. You must always walk, sit and stay right. Your body needs proper rest. Look at this boy and this man. Look at here, upright is written here. This is new word for you, so it's mean as straight as possible. You will have to walk as straight as possible. Walk up straight. It's mean up straight is new word. It's mean as straight as possible. Active is also new word. Active mean doing a lot of things or moving around a lot. Doing a lot of things or moving around a lot. Refreshed, this is refreshed. You will have to spell like this way, refreshed. It's mean to make you feel fresh and active again. Refreshed mean to make you feel fresh and active again. Okay students, these are the main points of this lesson. Today you will have to read lesson and you will have to read page number 45 and 46 of lesson keeping fit. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.